I've been using the Be My Eyes app for some time now, and this video is my honest and unbiased review. I'll go over everything from its main features to the pros and cons, so by the end you'll have a clear idea of what this app can do. Be My Eyes acts as a bridge between blind or low vision users and sighted volunteers. By using a smartphone camera, users can show an object or scene and get real-time descriptions or help from someone who can see. The service works 24/7 across the world in more than 185 languages, supported by over 7 million volunteers. The app makes sure volunteers are only contacted during their local daytime hours by matching users based on language and time zone. Recently, Be My Eyes introduced a new feature called Be My AI, which lets users send images to an AI assistant. The AI can describe what's in the image, answer questions, and even hold a conversation. It can help with things like checking makeup, reading labels, or translating text. There's also a service directory that connects users directly with company representatives for product support, and a group service that allows users to get help from trusted friends or family. The app is completely free and easy to use, with no limit on how often you can access its features. While most users praise it for its speed and reliability, some have mentioned a continuous ringing sound until both sides of a call are connected. The app's dedication to accessibility goes even further, with its support for smart glasses like Ray-Ban Meta glasses, offering hands-free assistance. Overall, Be My Eyes combines the kindness of human volunteers with the innovation of AI, creating a powerful tool that promotes independence and provides essential visual support.